What's up? It's Bob from Home Cook Basics. I got a simple how-to today. We're going to talk about how to peel a potato. I'm going to be peeling some sweet potatoes because we really eat these more than regular potatoes. It's real simple and easy. I know you're searching for it on Google or on YouTube. So let's just go over how to peel a potato. All right, so we got two options when we're peeling. First, you want to go ahead and wash potatoes. Scrub them real good. If you have a vegetables wash or something like that, you can use that. I use a very diluted Dr. Bronner's and scrub them up. So get your potatoes clean. And one option is a paring knife. If you're not really comfortable with this, I don't really suggest it. Get yourself a peeler. I mean, these are pretty economical, really easy to use. Highly recommend getting a peeler. If not, you can use a paring knife. You want a knife that's kind of small, that feels comfortable in your hands. One way is you can kind of pull it towards you, but this also depends on how comfortable you feel with that. Um, it's also very important for it to be very sharp, but you can kind of work your way around it like that, like you typically use with a paring knife to get the skin off the potato. Alternatively, you could also hold it kind of like find a flatter edge like this, and you could kind of work it and cut it down like that. That's one way to peel it. Okay, now for minimal loss, I mean, these peelers are great. Get yourself a flat edge. You could always cut a little bit off too, like that. Gives you a nice flat edge to work with. And then you can simply just work yourself around the potato like that. Real easy, real quick. Push yourself away so that blade and cutter is just working itself away. And that's how easy it is to peel a potato. Have any questions? Let me know in the comments. Watch one of these other great videos. Thanks for checking out Home Cook Basics. Please subscribe down below, and I can't wait to see you next time on Home Cook Basics.